Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Edge. Stock number is A8064. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. You also have front parking sensors. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. And then we're going to take a look inside. A combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top you have a panoramic sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. Factory trailer hitch, and this Edge is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.